morning, everyone. So, unfortunately, last night we had some bad weather, lots of wind. We heard there was some stuff down over at the grain bins, and possibly, what was the other thing you heard?
Power outage.
Oh yeah, possible power outage. So we've got to check to make sure the fan's on, or else we need to call in. So, but it's Sunday morning, and we are needing to head to church soon. But we've got to run out here and take care of this first. So we'll show you what we find.